Hey there, this is Gina at Art of Skincare, and I want to talk to you this week about hyperpigmentation and what causes hyperpigmentation. Because I think a lot of people think that it's just the sun that causes the pigmentation, but no, it is not just the sun. It's actually a combination of things that I call the perfect pigmentation storm. So the first thing on that list of causes of hyperpigmentation is heat. So the skin reacts to heat. So even if you stay in the shade, like I'm doing right now, you are still going to get hyperpigmentation if it's hot outside. So heat is a big contributor to dark pigmentation. Of course, UV is a contributor to dark pigmentation. UV is just the biggest cause, right? I mean, it doesn't matter if you are wearing a hat. It doesn't matter if you're keeping your skin covered. If you are even sitting in the shade, you might get less hyperpigmentation, but you are still going to get hyperpigmentation from UV rays. The third thing is internal heat. So if you're like me and you're an athlete and you like to play tennis or go bike riding and skating and running with your dog, you are going to create internal heat. So that is also a contributor to dark pigmentation. So internal heat causes hyperpigmentation combined with external heat, combined with UV rays, and you have the perfect pigmentation storm. So this week, I'm going to be sharing with you my tips on how to avoid getting a lot of hyperpigmentation. I'm going to be honest with you, you can't stop yourself. You are going to get some hyperpigmentation this summer, but let's try and do what we can to keep it to a minimum. And then let's get together again in the fall and I'll teach you how to take off that hyperpigmentation that you've collected through your fun summer activities. So I look forward to sharing more tips with you. Be sure to subscribe to us. Hit the subscribe button, as Elowen always says, hit the subscribe so that you will be sure to get all of my tips this week on treating and preventing hyperpigmentation.